Creating a pictorial video with AI involves using advanced technologies to automate the process of turning a script into a visual narrative. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to create a video from a script using AI. Step 1. Preparing your script. Before you start, make sure you have a well-written script that outlines the content of your video. Ensure that it's clear, concise, and divided into sections or scenes. Step 2. Selecting Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a powerful tool that utilizes advanced AI models to generate visuals based on text inputs. Go to the Pictory AI website or use their application, if they provide one. Sign in or create an account if necessary. Step 3. Uploading your script. Once you're logged in, look for an option like Upload Script or New Project. Follow the prompts to upload your script. Step 4. AI Processing. Pictory AI will analyze your script to identify key elements and generate visuals accordingly. This process might take a few moments, depending on the length and complexity of your script. Step 5. Reviewing visual suggestions. Once the AI has processed your script, it will provide visual suggestions for each section or scene. You can review these suggestions and make any necessary adjustments. Step 6. Customizing visuals, optional. Pictory AI may allow you to customize certain aspects of the visuals, such as selecting specific images, adjusting colors, or adding text overlays. Take advantage of these options to make the video align with your vision. Step 7. Adding audio, optional. If your video requires narration, background music, or sound effects, you can add them at this stage. Ensure that the audio complements the visuals and enhances the storytelling. Step 8. Previewing the video. Before finalizing, take a moment to preview the video to ensure everything looks and sounds as you want it to. Step 9. Exporting the video. Once you're satisfied with the visual and audio elements, look for an option to export or save the video. Pictory AI will generate a downloadable file for you. Step 10. Review and edit, optional. After exporting, it's a good idea to review the video one more time. If there are any minor adjustments you'd like to make, consider using a video editing software for final touches. Step 11. Finalize and share. Once you're happy with the result, you're ready to finalize the video. Save it in your preferred format and share it on the desired platform. Whether it's YouTube, social media, or your own website. Remember, while AI can be incredibly helpful in generating visuals, it's important to have a creative touch and human oversight to ensure the final product is exactly what you envisioned. Thank you and please support my channel. Thanks for watching.